Best US dropshipping suppliers. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you some of the best US dropshippers that are available. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I'm over here on CJ Dropshipping, and over here you can see we have all these different products that are supported from AliExpress, that we can find them on AliExpress as well. Now CJ Dropshipping is pretty amazing. One of the reasons why CJ Dropshipping or people even consider using CJ dropshipping is because of their shipping time. So over here, as you can see, this shipping method, if you choose to ship from China to US, you have multiple variety of different shipping methods that you can choose, anywhere between 3 to 7 days, all the way up to 30 to 65 days. So it's pretty amazing. And if you wanted to, think, or maybe search, and just to get a perspective, we can search for how long does it take to ship from AliExpress to US, right? So over here, as you can see, it will take you up to 15 to 45 working days. Whereas if you get the premium shipping, then it will take you from 7 to 15 days. So even if you are getting like a premium package, it's still going to take you at least a week or two. But if you're choosing, CJ dropshipping, and if you go with the DHL officials, you can have your package ready and delivered to your doorstep within 3 to 7 days, which is really cool. Now, you can find almost all of these products on AliExpress as well. So, like I said before, let's choose a product. Let's say, we have the adult slippers indoor, like these products right here. They're very popular these days, like they're, shark cartoon slippers. So, we'll just copy the name. We'll go over to AliExpress and we'll search for this product, right? So as you can see, we have the product right here. Now, if we wanted to, buy the product, let's say this one right here, open it up, and we want it to be shipped to United States, right? Then over here, it's going to take us, it's going to be delivered on June 22nd. So currently it's May 30th, and it's going to be delivered on June 22nd. So that's like a whole month. You can't wait that long. So you're going to need to, go ahead and use CJ dropshipping if you want to do that. So if you are mainly, using dropshipping for your own business, this is one of the hurdles of dropshipping, is the delivery time. And it's just too much that, people tend to not go ahead and buy, from AliExpress or other shops. They go straight to Amazon, but since Amazon isn't available in every single country, that's why a lot of people don't really use Amazon. So, but if you have CJ dropshipping, all of those problems are solved. You don't have to worry about it because it's so easy to use, just like that. All you have to do is just simply connect your account. All right. Over here, if you click on connect, you can connect it to your, the website where you want to sell. So over here, as you can see, these are some of the e-commerce platforms that you can connect to with CJ, and you're good to go. So if you just simply click on connect over here on Shopify, then you can go ahead and connect it to your Shopify store as well. So let me just sign in over here. Okay, so once you've signed in, you just simply go over to my CJ account over here. That's going to take you over here. And over here on the left side, you're going to have all these options, right? So at the bottom, you have store authorization. You just simply click on that. And then you have all the stores that, CJ can be connected with. So you have your eBay, Shopify, ShipStation, Etsy, Wix, whatever you want. So we're going to be choosing Shopify, and we're just simply going to click on Shopify. It's going to open up over here, and we can go ahead and click on Add Store, and then over here we just simply have to enter in the address of our Shopify store and just simply click on Authorize, and we are good to go. Then we can go ahead and start drop shipping from CJ on our Shopify store as well. So that's pretty simple and it's really easy. And as you can see over here, all of the shipping days I told you, in about a week. The shortest time that you can drop ship or ship from CJ to US is in a week. The longest is about 2 months, 60 days. So yeah. So now moving on to the second website that I have for you guys is called Source in a Box. Now, Source in a Box is also a pretty cool website. It's very similar to CJ, but I would say that it's not as big. It's basically like, fully sourced. It's fully for dropshipping purposes. As you can see over here, it's a dropshipping agent, whereas CJ is more like AliExpress. So you can drop ship from CJ, but it's a little bit different. Whereas, Source in a Box is for drop shipping. So over here, the process is very similar. You just simply, log in or sign up, and you connect your account. So you have Shopify, WooCommerce, Yampi, or Shoplaza, and you are good to go. Then you just set up your account, and you just select your products that you want to sell, and you are good to go. Now, in terms of, shipping, over here we can see the shipping time. So over here, this is their blog. They basically tell us the shipping time is usually between 7 to 15 days from China to US, and 4 to 7 days to the EU and UK, but it takes about 5 days to the US if you choose UPS to ship your order. So as you can see over here, it's pretty simple. All right. So over here, before shipment, there's a processing times. The regular processing times for Source in Box is 3 to 5 days without inventories, or 24 hours with inventories in their warehouse. And the shipping time is 7 to 15 days from China to US. So as you can see, it's very similar to CJ drop shipping. So if you use the USPS, shipping method to ship your product, then you can get it in 5 days, which I think is pretty amazing as well. So again, it's very similar to CJ. All you got to do is simply create an account by clicking on the sign up button. All right. And then you just connect your store that you want to use, like Shopify, and then you import your products on Shopify, and then you go ahead and start, selling your products. It's very simple. So now moving on to the third and final one, we have Salehoo. Now Salehoo is also a pretty amazing, drop shipper. It is a for drop shipper as well. It is very reliable, and it's not free. So there is a pricing plan, however. So let me just show you. So over here, this is the Salehoo directory plan. So over here for directory, you will have to pay $67. For drop shipping, there are two plans over here. If we, switch off to annually, it's going to be 270 for the basic one and 970 for the premium one. So if we switch back to monthly, it's going to be 27 for the basic and 97 for premium. And in the basic one, you get one sub user account, automate your dropshipping store, 500 high profit AliExpress products, personal email support, one click import from AliExpress to Shopify, trusted and vetted suppliers, save time and maximize profits, and all of that. Access to members forums and 30-day money back guarantee. Whereas in the premium one, you get all of that, but you get 3 sub user account, automate 3 dropshipping stores, import unlimited products, and high profit AliExpress products, dedicated outboarding account manager, and all the other things as well. So this is for dropshippings, and then there's the educate account, and this is basically like a guide or something like that. So over here they basically show you on Shopify, dropshipping on Shopify, and then over here this is for the Amazon product launch as well. And yeah, so these were the plans that you needed to know about. Now if we come over here, we can see all of the other stuff as well. Now if you're wondering about the shipping time, well, let me just show you. So over here in their blog, you can see how you can, take your shipping to the next levels. Over here, you can see if your supplier states that it takes 5 to 7 days for an item to reach your customer, you can expect your item to get there in 5 to 8 days, not sooner. So as you can see over here, the minimum day required is 5 to 8. I mean, I think it is also using DHS or USPS for shipping their products. So I would say it's very similar to the Source in Box and CJ dropshipping. But if you're wondering which one is the best one, it's your own personal choice. Although, they all ship to US as well. Although I would say Source in Box and Salesforce is a little bit more step ahead, but CJ Dropshipping also is pretty amazing because it has almost all the same products as AliExpress. So you can get better products from CJ Dropshipping if that's what you're thinking. So all three of these have their own pros and cons. So it all depends on you. Check them out, use whichever one you think is best. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.